my channel. This is the Working Home Boss, and I'm back with another job opportunity. So these opportunities are with TELUS International, and they also have a work from home section. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just put this link in the description so it takes you directly to the work from home section, because it took me a while to actually find this section. So they have a lot of work from home positions, and they also have positions, international positions. So places like Guatemala, Canada, if you live in those parts of the world, you can apply for those positions as well. So they have positions such as technical customer service representative, bilingual client representative, client care representative, digital solutions, Portuguese customer service representatives, and they have 235 positions that is actually listed in their work from home portion of their website. Okay, so just for reference, we're going to click on the technical customer service representative and see. So they're offering $49,998 per year, and that is equivalent to $25.64 per hour. So basically, a technical support or technical customer service representative will have the ability to use their customer service skills, technical savvy, um, and results driven mindset to direct and help customers in a clinical setting that utilize EMR, which is electronic medical records software in Canada. So for this position, you would need to be located in Canada. So Alberta, British Columbia, or Ontario, Canada for this position. All right. So they tell you that you need 2+ years of interactive customer service experience. You would need to be fluent in English. So you would need to read, write, and speak it. And if required for bilingual roles, you will need to be both fluent in English and French. All right, so they have other skills and competencies listed. You could go and read those if you're considering this position. So, work from home requirements will be a dedicated private workspace free of distractions and interruptions, establish home internet connectivity, understand your own network environment at home, and the ability to troubleshoot your own devices and connectivity. Okay, so this is just an example. So if you're located in Canada, you can work this position, and it pays again $25.64 per hour, and it is remote. All right. So, like I said, they have over 230 positions listed in their work from home portion. So, I'll go ahead and just link the whole thing below where you could go through and look and see what they have available and see what you're interested in. I want to thank you all for tuning in to my video. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you don't miss a job opportunity. And bosses out.